Chicken in the Italiano oven.
We use the gas burner to light the wood.
Remember to open your choke. You bring the wood over so it doesn't smoke too much. That is the most beautiful chicken in the world. Stuffed with onion, garlic, and all the secret sauces and spices that I cannot tell you live on television. Stones, 140. So because of the gas heating on that side. Yeah, so we got about 130 on the base there, which I think is perfect for a chicken that's going to cook for about an hour, I'd say.
Take note that the right-hand side is warmer than the middle. This is because of the dome shape of the oven.
My wife is pre-cooking the pizza bases.